Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Tiny Glade game crash on startup or the crashing problem on your PC. I will show you guys the very effective solution that fix your problem definitely. So first open up your Steam, go to your Steam library, then just click on your Tiny Glade game. So once you click on that, then just click on the gear icon on your game, then go to its properties. Now here you will see the launch option in the general section. Now just type here the -TX11, and once you type it, then just launch the game and this will fix your problem. Now if your problem is not fixed, then completely close the game, and now here in the launch option just try the -T3D11. Guys, once you type it, just close it and launch the game, and this will fix your problem. Now if your problem is still not fixed, then just click on the gear icon, go to your game properties. Now just remove these launch options, then click on the install files, click on the browse option, and here you have to simply look for your game launcher, your Tiny Glade game launcher. Right click on that, go to its properties, go to the compatibility. Now here just check this box of the compatibility mode and just choose here the Windows 8. Then just check this box of the disable full screen optimization, and also check this box of the run as administrator. Then just click on the apply, then just launch the game and see your problem is fixed or not. Now guys, if your problem is still not fixed, then the next solution that you need to apply into your PC to fix this problem is just close all the background application. Now right click on your taskbar, you will see the task manager, open it. And guys, here just disable or close all the background application. You will see the memory or the CPU on the top. Now if these are above the 90%, then this means this is the danger symbol, and you just need to close all the background application that are consuming the most of your RAM or CPU. Then go to the startups, and here you will see all the applications. So when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and causing your game crash. So make a right click on all of these, then just disable all of these. Now the next setting is the system configurations. So go to the Windows side, type it and open it. Now go to the boot, then just click on the advanced options, then just select here the maximum number of processors you have. If you have the 4, 8, 16 or the any value, just select it, then just click on the OK. This will increase your game performance. Then just go to the services, then check this box of the hide all microservices, then just disable all of these, then just click on the apply. Then you must need to restart your PC to apply the changes, then launch the game, and your any kind of crash on startup or the crashing problem will be fixed with this game. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video, and bye bye and take care.